across the town. Strawberry did a twinkle hop. Raspberry joined and wouldn't stop. Kiwi jumped and kicked so high. Pear kept grooving, oh my, my. Mama clapped and gave a cheer. Fruity dance is fun, my dear. They all bowed and took a rest. That fruity show was just the best.